Hello again, welcome back to my little channel where I just bring you along for the ride while I'm messing about with chainsaws and stuff. So we're off back to that cutting spot where I filmed all the races last weekend because I need to go and get some wood for my mum. I need to fill my truck up with wood because I'm going to go and see her next weekend and she's running low on wood. So I've got a load of wood there. And this is the fun bit that I quite like about, when you're going out cutting and it's like, which saw shall we take out today? So I thought I'd just switch you on here in the shed, maybe give you a bit of a view. I don't know if you've seen it from this angle before. And we'll just go through some of the saws that are lying around and which ones I'm going to take out today. So let's have a quick look, flip you around. So that is the 365, which I've done loads of stuff with, ripping along. We're not going to take that out today. Those guys, that's my 7900, which needs sharpening, 390, which doesn't work very well, 254, which I should sell really, blown up 6400. This is like the working shelf here. Not these two don't work, but these down here do. These are all the ones that I tend to just keep around, grab and go type saws really. These are all the ones from the races last week, the big Makita. So this Stihl, the 461, I've never run on this channel. And I should. Isn't it weird how you just sometimes don't pick saws up? They're just not your go-tos. That 461 is that saw for some reason, but I think I'm going to drag that out today because I really want to start using it or do something else with it. And then we go over to another shelf. Yes, I know my shed is not the most organised, guys. So we've got two 266s up there. One has got a clutch issue. They're just two cheap 266s I picked up because I like 266s. Well, actually, we've got an 028 and a 210 up there. But that 028's done loads of work for me over the years. I'm tempted to take a 266 out just to see how one of them runs, but I also want to take out, so a saw I haven't run, I did run it in the barn recently, is that 365 X Torq, which has had the webs ground out, so it's a 372 XP X Torq, so it's the 70cc, the later X Torq, the 70cc one. And I've also got that Johnson Red 2171, which we've been running a lot of 375 content, 372, sorry, content, that style saw at the moment, lately. And I'd quite like to just run that again to remind me. So I might drag that out, but it needs barring up. So I don't know. And just while we're down here, that there is a 357 XP, and that there is a, can you see, 272, but it needs going through. It does run, kind of. Are you all like me? Have you all just got these saws around that kind of run and sort of, you got them lying around? That's the 2165 and the 266 from the build off. So I'm going to make some choices and I will pause you and then come back together when we're all loaded up. Well, this is probably a bit silly because I'm not really cutting anything big today, but this is where we ended up. I am going to go and run the 461 and the 365 X Torq, which is a bit of a misnomer because it's a 70cc saw. That one's been mildly ported and messed about with, and I had a brand new, this lovely brand new X Tough Light 28-inch and a brand new chain. Look at that beauty. Brand new chain, and I've been looking for a saw to put that on for ages, and that is the saw. These are probably two of my strongest running saws actually. So yeah, that was my choice. Let's pack some axes. There's my little box I take with me, so a couple of axes and a tripod and some fuel and some oil and some tools and a wedge, and I'll stop yakking on and let's get the truck loaded and get out in the field. Well, here we are then, just in the little pile I brought up this bank. This is where I was filming all of the races the other day, right next to the road. I'm sure a car will come past in a minute. Ditch down there, so it's quite a pain to bring stuff up here, so work out anyway, because we've got to bring it all up this bank. So yeah, I thought I'd just show you where we are, and let's get some saws fired up. This hasn't run for a couple of months, so let's see. I'm not one for decomps. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think she's a bit rich, but is there anything better to be doing on a February afternoon? Right, I'm going to stop. You're probably quite bored of this, so I'm just going to pause you for a bit, so we get on. Do I really love this work because I don't do it 9 to 5, or would I, if I did it 9 to 5, would it be annoying? I don't know. This saw was definitely a bit rich when I was just running it then, you could super hear it. So I'm just gonna close the hijack, a little squeak. Just see how he goes with that. See if that runs any better. Can I do it? Don't know if you can see this, guys, but I'm just gonna pop the screwdriver in there, just a little bit more on the high. Don't know if you can hear it. You can probably, hopefully you guys who've run saws will tell me, I'm sure. Let's not cut that one, that's a bit weird. Yeah, you guys who run saws more than me will be able to tell me, but yeah, she was just a squeak too rich on the high end for me. Joys of a sharp chain and a big saw. Right, so I'm going to get this all in the truck. Okay, let's see how this X Torq runs. Can't even call it, don't even know what to call it. 365, but it's now 372. So, don't know. Wow, isn't it amazing how different the stratified saw sounds? Yep, that's what X Torq means. Do you know, I've just said that. I just said, oh, listen how different the stratified saw sounds. A 461 is stratified as well, isn't it? So for those of you who don't know what that means they bring fresh air through as well for emissions. So that 461 is a 2017 saw. So everything was stratified by then, wasn't it? I'm pretty sure that is a stratified saw. So yeah, doesn't sound like different at all. Tell you what, even though this is a new chain on this 365, 372, the X Torq saw, that 461 seems to just be slicing through. The chain wasn't great when I got it, and I've played with hand filing it. So this is the X Torq saw. This saw is a brand new Oregon chain that I haven't touched. And this is quite an old, I don't even know what make it is, but it's a full chisel. I think it might be a Stihl full chisel that I've hand filed. And yeah, it does seem to be cutting quite a lot faster than this one. Although the rakers are probably a lot lower on it.
Tell you what guys, that 461 is cutting fast. That just shows the difference between a hand file. 6cc more I know, but hand file versus a new chain. Wow. Tassie time! Time for a bit of Tassie. That's not going to split. It's amazing how far wood goes. I don't think there was enough to fill the truck here, but it's half full already. Oh, best days ever. Trying out some camera angles, guys. How'd you like it down there? Ooh, stubborn. Got it. Oh, big knots. No good. Knotty English hardwood. English, British. Well, we're in Wales, aren't we? So, British. This is that Hytest Tassie that I put the handle on in my how not to put a handle on, but well, it hasn't fallen off yet, so maybe it was how to put a handle on. Got another shipment of axes coming in from Tasmania very shortly. They're in the air. My Ozpost update has said. Really excited to get them. Good. Oh, meant to just stick that in the wood for you guys. Not going to happen. There we go, let's just put it there. So that's me about done. The truck is full of wood. Isn't it amazing how fast it fills up? About 3/4 of an hour, and the truck is full of wood for mother, which is the most important thing. Warm mothers, that's what you need. So yeah, thanks for coming along. A bit more of a vloggy type thing for me. Did you like it? I'm sure you'll be critiquing my saw technique and stuff, but yeah, do you like this sort of stuff? Do you like the technical stuff? I'm just really bringing you along for the ride on my firewooding, messing about with chainsaws and axes journey, really. So yeah, let me know what you think. Bit of a longer one. If you're anything like me, I just enjoy watching guys like Bucking and any guys running chainsaws, really, when I'm not running chainsaws. So hopefully that's what this will do for you. So thanks for watching. Give us a sub if it is what you want to watch, or a like and stuff like that. Let me know. Let YouTube know. And I'll see you again soon, messing about with more saws. Thanks.